The Little Bunny and Big Carrot, a short moral story. Once upon a time, in a lush forest there lived a little cute bunny. He loved to hop around the forest, but he also loved to eat carrots. One day, Bunny hopped through the forest and he found the biggest, juiciest carrot he had ever seen. Bunny felt so happy to see the carrot and decided to pull it from the ground. Excited, he tried to pull it out, but it was too heavy. He tugged and pulled, but the carrot wouldn't budge. After trying so many times, Bunny tired and became sad. Bunny wanted that big carrot, but he couldn't get it out by himself. Soon, Bunny's friend a squirrel, a fox, and a deer came along. The bunny asked for help, and together, they pulled the carrot free. Bunny was so happy. Instead of keeping it for himself, the bunny shared it with everyone. Moral: teamwork and kindness make big tasks easier and more rewarding. Thank you for watching.